His mindset is clear, he will do it or die. No need to worry, no reason to cry. Mr. Ashmafara has set the tone, a vision of greatness, a dream well known. With passion and courage he leads the way, guiding the mission through night and day. True love is his driving force, unwavering and true. In every challenge he finds what's new. We stand united, a devoted crew, facing the storm determined to pursue. With hearts in sync we soar high above, purpose and passion fueled by love, by love. Boundless potential, a world so wide, united in vision, we stand with pride, breaking the limits, rewriting the code, carving the path on this limitless road. In the heart of dreams, where futures ignite, we gather our strength, embracing the light. Together we rise, with hope in our stride. Boundless potential, a world to abide. We stand united, a devoted crew, facing the storm determined to pursue. With hearts in sync we soar high above, purpose and passion fueled by love. The rhythm of progress, the power of change, moved by us as fire, we're breaking the chains. AI's the heartbeat, the spark, the flame, revolution ignited, reshaping the game. With every step we dare to explore, unlocking doors like never before. In the pulse of the future we stake our claim, where passion and purpose ignite the flame. We stand united, a devoted crew, facing the storm determined to pursue. With hearts in sync we soar high above, purpose and passion fueled by love. Unified and strong, loyal to the dream, forging ahead as a powerful team. In every challenge we find our way, together we'll shine day by day.